Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's 11:31. We've been up from morning. Got up, made the boys breakfast, and I haven't eaten anything from morning, but I've been here. So this is my hair. I took it off from morning because I get tension headaches, so I can't keep anything on my head all day. This side is cute. This side isn't giving what I want it to give. I was thinking of curling it, but I'm just like, I'm in the hose. I'm not going anywhere. And this is the back. I kind of trimmed down the back a little bit, but I don't have salon quality anything. So we're learning. But today it is overcast, raining on and off, drizzling. It's doing what the weather people say it would do. So I'm just here thinking of what I'm gonna make for lunch, what I'm gonna make for dinner, and I want to sit down and just relax and chill. I actually wanna go sit down and read my Bible before I do anything else because we need to, yeah. But yeah, as I was saying, I was thinking of curling it, but it doesn't make any sense. I put color in the hair. Me can't see it. I know you guys can't see it. It was almost pointless. Maybe because I didn't put on the cap. But I can't see it. No remnant. I can see it on my scalp. I can see it on my scalp, but I can't see it anywhere else. So yeah. I have a flat iron on its way. I have the the pencil flat iron on its way. I really like when it's this way. I really like when it's in the face rather than when it's parted. Yeah, I like it this way. Just needs to be straightened and then we can go from there. I've been busy all day, just been busy getting stuff sorted. Right now, I am going to pack two emergency bag, a bag of clothes, all the local necessaries and everything. Because as I mentioned before to you guys, I live on a land that the soil is very, what do you call it? I can't remember the word right now. The soil, we had a landfall before. So we had a landfall maybe a couple years ago, and we haven't had a landfall again since then. But at the amount of rain that they're saying that we should expect, we don't want to take any chances. So I'm going to go ahead and pack some emergency bags just in case, because baby, we're not staying here if we have another landfall. We're not staying here if we have another landslide. I actually wanted to leave before the rain started, but everywhere is going to be flat. Everywhere that we have a choice to go is a flat area. I don't want to go to a flat area knowing that there are likely chances of flooding. So, unfortunately, we're going to wait it out. Am I scared? No, I'm not. Am I worried? No, I'm not. God is going to do his thing. We're going to put our trust in him regardless and hoping for the best at the end of this. So, yeah, let's see what happens and see. Let's see where we go from here.
Chapter 40, verse 31 says, "But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint." When you hope in the Lord, you will gain new strength.
Like every person living on this earth, I've experienced my good days, and I've experienced my bad days. I've had days where I've been strong.
guys, hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, actually it's afternoon. So today is supposed to be day one of Melissa. I don't know, for some reason I keep having Beryl in my mind. I don't know why. Today is day one of Melissa. So far nothing's going on, nothing, no rain, on and off rain. Skies look dark as usual. Majority of my subscribers are in Jamaica, so I don't know me I thought about. If you're not in Jamaica, the sky is, it's just gray. It's just really gray. I'm about to start chefing up for dinner. I've been feeling for shrimp from last night. I'm thinking to do probably fried shrimp and then curry the meat. I'm not sure. I feel like doing something different. Instead of curry shrimp, I'll probably do like fried shrimp and then do something to the chicken. So that's what we're doing. Hubby is outside buttoning up and stuff with my father-in-law, so they're outside doing that. Yeah, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything from morning. I don't know, these days I don't really have an appetite. I don't really have much eating, and it could just be because I already created such a bad eating habit that it can't be fixed again. So I'm not hungry. I feel like I want like a cup soup, but I'm really not trying to eat those stuff anymore because they're not healthy anymore, or they're not healthy. So I try kind of stay off of that. But yeah, let me show you guys that we're fully stocked, right? So we do have a generator. I think I said that to you guys already. We do have a generator, so in the event light does go, our freezer fridge and everything still at work. But let me show you guys. This is our little pantry. So as you can see, stocked, right? And then down here, stocked, have toilet paper and stuff. Fridge stocked, or freezer stocked. Fridge not so stocked. So we're good. We have gas for the generator, we have gas for the kitchen. Yeah, we're good. So I hope you guys are doing well during this hurricane. I hope you guys are okay. Nothing has started, so you should be okay, right? Afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. It's Hurricane Melissa Day. She's going out herself outside. For us, we're getting the light rain and we're getting the heavy breeze, but nothing major, nothing too severe, nothing too because we're on the opposite side of what she's going on with on that side. And I'm just praying that everyone in her path, in her trajectory, that they're safe, that they're well, that they're warm. Yeah, but light is gone and I'm not getting no phone signal. And yes, we have our generator, but we're just like waiting until like we really need to use the generator to use the generator. We're not rushing to use it. So yeah, but I've just been really just tracking. I've just really been just looking outside, see what's going on outside and everything. And my mama tell her she's going on outside, okay? You're in Jamaica, you know what she's going on. But you have to be like where all the trees are to really know that she's going on. But I'm about to go take a nap because I'm tired. I think my cycle is about to start and I'm just feeling kind of groggy, kind of bad. Yeah. The land is looking secured and good. The Lord is most definitely holding up his hand. The rain looks like it's coming down heavy, but it's looking good. Put in your head, AJ. Alright, come now. Close the window.
No. I'm sorry. No.
Close the window.
Wait. Hey, Papa. I'm close this one. That's Mom. Sophia, Mom.
AJ, take your hand off of there.
Mommy?
People might actually call my husband and I crazy for not buttoning up this window. But we want to be able to kind of see like what's going on outside. And right now that I have nothing to do, this is what's entertaining me right now. Looking outside, watching a planting tree, watching the planting on the tree trying its hardest to survive, and just overall just being able to see everything that's going on. The amount of times that the sky has changed from can see the clouds to it almost looks like 6 o'clock at night. It is just, it's a beautifully scary thing, and I just like to see God work. So far we haven't seen or hear anything flying. Ooh, rain is coming down. We haven't seen or hear anything flying, so to God be the glory for that. I think a lot of people just ensure that they cleaned up their yard and stuff. So yeah, right now it's looking really dark, and the rain is getting heavy and the breeze is getting heavy. So I just gave the boys their tablets so that they could leave me alone. Guys, may I look over and walk cry? May I look over the next community and their retaining walls just came down. That is wall of stone. This is scary. This is scary. So guys, we have come to the end of Hurricane Melissa. Well, not necessarily the end of the end, but we're still getting the breeze, the wind, still getting all of that. We had a minor landslide, very minor. So we give God thanks for that. I'm hoping that we don't have any more. Guys, I look rough this morning, but listen, I was fighting in my sleep last night. I couldn't sleep because of the heavy rains, and I was just so concerned about landslide. So literally I fought in my sleep last night. I was sweating like crazy. So many things were just happening, going through my mind last night. But listen, this morning when I woke up, saw sunshine, looked outside, didn't see any landslide. I pretty much didn't sleep last night at all. But when I realized that we didn't have any landslide, look in front of you. I woke up this morning giving God all the glory, all the honor, and all the praise, and I am so grateful that we are good. I'm so grateful. I haven't heard from my brother, so I'm hoping to hear from him soon. I'm assuming that because signals are down, that's why I haven't heard from him. But yeah, I'm taking the boys just to look and see what's going on. I'm not going far because I'm in no condition to go far. But yeah.
Look, it's in the water.
Yeah.
What's the water there? Look at it.
Please explain this phenomenon, because what in the actual heck is going on?
Wanna take time to just stay advice. Been a long while since I've been back to the place that raised me. And if it's okay, I'll just say that I was struggling. All the memories, they took me back. Oh yeah. Now I've had pain and I've had so much sorrow, but I've had hope and the joy of tomorrow. I've had pain and I've had so much sorrow, but I've had hope and the joy of tomorrow. 'Cause we've been made up for the night, yeah. We've been made up for the night, yeah. Your joy.
A little update. We went on the road, and listen, Kingston did not get anything. Kingston, St. Andrew, and St. Catherine did not get anything. Okay, we did not encounter anything like St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Montego Bay, Trelawney, and those places. We didn't experience anything because what we saw was just trees down, and that's it. Yeah, we don't have any power right now. We're using our generator and internet, so cell signal is down. There's just a lot going on. There's just so much that's going on. But in terms of like damages, what we saw when we drove around, there was literally no damages. Everybody's back to normal. KFC's open, Island Grill is open, everybody's back to being open. And I just thought it was a bit selfish that these people had to be back at work the day after the storm, knowing that their yard probably needs to be clean, knowing that there's debris that they need to get, because a lot of women are single women and they live by themselves and they have to do these things by themselves, and a lot of men are single fathers and they have to do these things by themselves while taking care of their children. I understand a business still has to run, but I think giving people a couple days to allow them to get back to some form of normalcy would have been good. But such is life, I understand. But yeah, we didn't get any impact. We have a minor landslide. It was minor yesterday, but it grew earlier this morning, and it's still not impacting us, but it just happens to be where we built our septic tank. So yeah, so everything is good on our end. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. It's 2 days after Hurricane Melissa. So right now, our kids and I are just, as you can see, we're outside because there's still no power. AJ, come and wipe your nose. There's still no power, and to keep them entertained, I have them outside. I haven't even eaten anything from morning, but they've just been in my case, mommy outside, mommy outside, mommy outside. So I'm like, all right, cool. We have back some normalcy. I really wanted these videos to go out from before, but right now with everything, I just feel kind of selfish to even think about posting a video, because it's like the people in St. Elizabeth and those places, they don't have normalcy right now. They don't know what normal is right now, and I'm having a really hard time thinking about content and thinking about taking up the camera and posting. Even as you guys saw in the hurricane, I wasn't really doing anything, because really that was my time to rest. Really and truly, I rested in that time. Really and truly, in that time, I just took the time to just take a mental break even though it was really hard for me same way because I was worried about the landslide. But yeah, but I'm gonna end the vlog off here. And I'll catch you guys in the other vlog. We do plan on doing something for those parishes. I don't know what we're gonna get to do, but we do plan on doing something. So yeah, my mind is just always just wrapped around them right now. Like, what are they doing? Did they eat from morning? You know, that's where my mind is right now. So I'm having a hard time with the whole thing. But I'll catch you guys in the next vlog, whenever that will be. Please be safe and take care of each other, take care of yourselves, take care of your neighbors. Take care of your neighbors while people are there and alive. Take care of them. All right, bye.